What's going on, guys? Today, we got this Bryant SENTRY unit started up. So I missed the video, so I'm sorry about that. So yeah, here's the Bryant central air conditioner started up. It is a 2-ton, and you can hear the compressor. Hear the compressor, the suction line. Here's the Bryant logo. And yeah, that is a nice. It's got an EMERSON COPELAND scroll. Believe it or not, it is I think it's a R22 refrigerant. I think it was replaced by an older Janitrol from 2001. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to look it onto the Google map. So here's neighbor's Bryant SENTRY unit. This is disconnect line. The line seems to be good. You can see here's the newer flatbed onto the air conditioner. Someone removed the grass. It has kind of the weeds onto that crack right there by the spider web right there. And they places a new one. So yeah, that's a good old air conditioner. Peace out, folks. And over there, here's the Duquesne. I think it's got a scroll. Yeah, the Duquesne got a scroll compressor. It's got a Copeland scroll. That is a nice Duquesne. And here's the neighbors. So I'm gonna take a picture of that. And I'm gonna take a picture of those. I missed the startup, but I'm gonna do the shutdown. So alright guys, peace out, folks. Alright, that was the shutdown onto the Bryant from 2021. And that is an awesome Copeland scroll compressor, EMERSON COPELAND scroll. And that sounded very awesome. And this is an awesome sound of the compressor. The fan motor is alright. And probably there's the neighbor's shutdown. So peace out, folks. See you on the next one.